लास्ट टाइम वी स्टार्टेड विद परसेंटेज, तो उसी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। यही टॉपिक चलेगा। तो एक क्वेश्चन जल्दी से आप मुझे बताएं, 45 इज व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ 54? ये आपके पास क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी से बताएं मुझे क्या है। हाँ जी, तो क्या करना है? So 45 is what percent of 54? So that means we can do it by unitary method simply. Out of 54, we have 45. Out of 1, we will have 44. And
इसमें आपने वीडियो चलाया?
out
बोल
of,
सकता?
बोल सकते हैं।
all right, so using this unitary method, you will get this, and now you can simplify this. 9 5s are 6, and then you can calculate 3s and 50, 250 over 3%. That means 88, and 1 by 3% is your answer. I hope this is clear. Is what percent of 18? So what would be your answer now? Now this should be clear to you how we are doing it. So how will we do it? This is simple. 2.7 divided by 18 into 100. This is your answer. Clear to you? Okay, now the question is 252 is 35% of a certain number. So find the number. Please solve. Yes, 722. So this will be your answer, 720. Moving all right, the question is a man spends 65% of his salary and saves rupees 525 per month. What is his monthly salary? Sanya, in place of rupees, you can consider it as dollars, right? So please solve. So how will we solve? Man spends 65% of his salary, spends 65%. So rest is saved. So how much is saved? How much is saved? If the salary is 100%, that means 100 minus 65, that means 35% is saved. Now it is saying this 35% is equal to rupees 525. So let the salary is X. So 35% of X is equal to 525. So by this we can calculate our X, 525 into 100 over 35, and that will come out as 1,500 rupees. If you have some problem, please tell me now. Question is, a number 4.0 is wrongly read as 4.48. Find the percentage error. Check if you can do it. All right. To calculate such questions, you should remember this formula. Percentage error is equal to error, that means actual error, divided by the original number into 100. So what is error here? Error is the number is read as 4.48 while this was actually 4.0. So your error is 0.48. Now using this formula, so we can write percentage error is equal to 0.48 divided by original number was 4.0
12.
into 100. So this will be 48 over 4 and that is 12 times. So that is the percentage error. Okay, the question is a number is changed from 80 to 100. What is percentage change? How will we do it? Eighty to 100. What is the change? Change percent is equal to new number minus old number divided by old number into 100. So you must remember this. So new number is 100 minus old number, original number into 100. So that is 20 over 80 into 100. That is 25%. This is the answer. So question is, in a consignment of 500 articles, 70 articles are broken. Find the percentage of remaining articles. Please solve. So you had 500 articles, 70 are broken. So how many are not broken? Not broken is 500 minus 70. That means 430 are not broken. So what is the percentage of remaining? The percentage of remaining is 430 are remaining, 500 were bought and in 200. All right. So this is your answer. You can calculate that. This will give you 86%. Pratap paid 20% of his salary as income tax. If he is left with rupees 8,400 after paying the tax, find his salary. So Pratap paid 20% of his salary as income tax. So if you have 100 rupees, you have to give 20 rupees as, let's say, tax. So how much are you left with? 80%, right? So salary left is 100 minus 20, that is 80%. Is it okay? Right? Now this 80% is equal to 8,400. This is what it is written here. If he is left with 8,400, that means 80% of, let's say, salary was X is equal to 8,400 rupees. So now this is easy. So 80 over 100 into X is equal to 8,400 rupees. You can now calculate 8,400 into 100 over 80. So this will be your answer. All right. That will be 10,500 rupees. Right. We are here to learn. If any point is not clear, please ask. I am ready to repeat it twice, thrice. Doesn't make a difference till you understand that. So question is, a school has 500 plants. Out of these, 10% are roses, 5% are lilies, and 2% are guava. trees, right? Rest are other trees. So what is the number of other trees? I have lots of answer. So let's see. School has 500 plants. So others, how many? What is the percentage others? So 100% are total, minus 10%, minus 5%, and minus 2%. That means 17%. That means 83% are others. Okay. So 83% of 500 number of other plants is this. So 83 over 100 into, sorry, 80, wrong, 83 over 500. So you can calculate it. So that will give you 415. So question is, out of her total income, Poonam spends 25% on rent and 60% of the rest on household expenses. If she saves rupees 2,100, what is her total income? Right. So solve it, please. Right. This line is very critical. 60% of the rest on household. If you are not reading the question correctly, then you will make a mistake. Okay. Let's try and do this. We can do it in two ways, right? This is a much simpler way. Let her income is rupees 100. Do not write anything, just try and understand what we are doing. So let her income is rupees 100. So what is happening out of this 100? We will calculate everything on 100, then we'll make it the complete picture, right? So out of her total income, which is 100 now, we are considering it, she spends 25% on rent. That means on rent, she spent rupees 25, because 25% of 100 is 25. All right. Now, what is left with her? What is the rest? Right? This is what she's saying, 60% of rest. What is left with her? With her now is 100 minus 25 is 75 rupees, right? Now, out of this, she spends 60% on households. So household spending is on the remaining part. That means 60% of rupees 75. So 60 over 100 into 75. So how much is this? 45 rupees. So she was left with 75 rupees and she spent 45 rupees on household. So how much is saving? Out of 75, she further spent 45. So saving is 75 minus 45. That means 30 rupees. Now think about this way. If her savings are, rupees 30, she earned how much? Rupees 100. This is what we assumed here. So if her, now I'm going for the unitary method, right? If her savings are rupees 1, then she earned how much? 100 over 30. And if her savings are, as per question, rupees 2100, it's 2100, I'm sure. Yeah, let me check. Yes, 21. Then what is her income? Into 2100. So her income is rupees 7000 rupees. Now tell me if it is clear to you or not.